Ensure the alignment is precise before engaging the next sequence.
Confirmed. The drone scan matches the schematic.
Copy that. Coming in slow. Looking good on the starboard side.
Roger. Clearance confirmed.
Alignment is good. Lock it in.
We are approaching Sector 4.
Confirmed. Speed remains stable at 0.5 meters per second. The runout is within limits, confirming the alignment.
Good. Log it as approved.
Okay, verify the strut pressure reading.
Reading is stable at 50 psi. Check.
Benituti और मैस का बोनिकटी पोज और अगे पाइल के ये जुटियां निकर सालेशन बनता रहे जहाँ पे teams to
Okay, pull that section tighter on the left. Copy that. Watching the seam right here.
Check the voltage on line 3. Reading nominal.
The simulation data looks promising on the transparent display.
Yes, the stress tests align with the projections.
I'm initiating the robotic arm sequence now.
We're showing a minor hydraulic anomaly right here.
I see the alert too. Let's check the landing gear housing.
V1. Up.
Selected altitude 29,000.
Checked. Passing flight level 280. Auto throttle engaged.
Excellent work on that approach, especially with the crosswind component.
Thank you, Captain. The training really paid off. I felt prepared.